What's up, mi gente? We are back again with another recipe. Today we're gonna be making some beef and cheese tostadas. Follow along. Today I decided to add a grocery list, so just pause the video at any time and take a screenshot. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. First, we'll start by chopping up our freshly washed produce. Now we'll be adding our freshly chopped produce to our meat and adding all of our seasonings. Now, while we allow the meat to cook at a medium to low fire, because we want all of those juices to just stay marinating in there, we are going to start preparing our tortillas. We're going to be putting them on a pan sheet at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes. Now that our meat is cooked and our tortillas are nice and warm, it's time to make these tostadas. And look at that. We cannot wait to get into it here. And remember, if you want to use a low-carb tortilla, you're more than welcome to. Or a cauliflower tortilla. You do not have to use the flour tortillas. You can use any which you'd like. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share it with a friend. Have a blessed day.